And welcome back to another flipped classroom tutorial. In today's video, we are going to look at a recent update to Google Classroom, specifically to the Gemini tools within Google Classroom. And this one is an amazing update. It is the audio overviews that are now in Google Classroom as well. So in order to access this, let's open up Google Classroom. And here I am in my Google Classroom. You can see I'm in a Geography Year 7 class, and I'm going to navigate to the Gemini tab here on the left-hand side. You can click on that Gemini tab, and as before, this was already available. We have a number of different content and resources that can be generated. However, recently, the following audio lesson option has been added. So let's go ahead and click on this, and we can now generate this audio lesson. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my target year. This is a Year 7 class, and the topic will be a mega city. I wanted to look at economic activities, social and environmental issues, really diving into mega cities. Now I can either specify the mega city I wanted to look at, or I can leave it as it is and simply have the AI, Gemini in this case, select the mega city, which is what I'm going to do. Now I could add some additional content here at the top, which means I can give it a lot more text. For example, I'm going to give it this text: choose a megacity, conduct an in-depth research on its growth, challenges, and opportunities. So here we go, we're giving it the context. It says choose a megacity, conduct in-depth research. I'm actually going to give it a megacity to look at. So I'm going to say look at Tokyo. And then we are going to have it generate everything for us. Here at the bottom, we can choose the various avatars that we would like to use, as well as the different voices. So you can see we have voice 1.
Welcome. I'm here to guide you through the material and highlight the key takeaways.
Excellent. So let's go ahead and select this teacher with that voice. And then for the student, let's listen to the options. We have voice 1.
That sounds interesting. I'm ready to dive in.
Let's have a listen to voice 2.
That sounds interesting. I'm ready to dive in.
Okay, let's select that student's voice. So we're going to have this avatar, this student voice, and then here at the bottom, we can start generating this audio lesson. Now you could go to the top, add target mark and topic and even more information, but as a demo, let's leave it as it is. We're going to scroll down and click on Generate Audio Lesson. Now this is going to take some time, so let's see what it does. As soon as I click on this, it's going to start generating that dialogue between the two characters. So here you can see it is already generating it one step at a time. I'm going to let it play, speed up the video, and then at the end, we are going to listen to what audio lesson has been generated. Okay, and as you can see, it has generated a roughly 9-minute long audio lesson. Let's listen to what it has created.
Hello. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of Tokyo, one of the world's largest and most dynamic megacities. We'll be exploring its historical development, what makes its economy tick, the social and environmental challenges it faces, and the clever ways it handles urban planning.
That sounds really interesting. I'm ready to learn about Tokyo. I've always heard it's huge, but I don't know much beyond that.
So as you can see, you have this back and forth between the teacher and the student in an audio lesson format. Always check for content, always check that everything that is being discussed or said is appropriate for your year group, appropriate for the students, and also factually correct. But when you are ready with this and when you're happy, you will see there is an export button. So let's go ahead and export this. Now the button at the top and the bottom is the exact same options. We can export to our drive or slides. In this case, let's go ahead and export this to slides first. So we're going to go ahead and click on slides. And what it's going to do is it's going to take all this information, this audio lesson, and it's going to push it into a new window with a Google Slides. So let's go ahead and open this Google Slides. There we go. It has generated those graphics, the slides, and as we had those back and forth dialogue boxes, well, we will see those in our slideshow as well. So here you can see we have this step-by-step discussion of what is going on in this audio lesson. This is a great accompanying slides to go with your audio lesson. Then, in order to get access to the actual audio file, what we are going to do is we're going to go back here and export this to our drive. Now, when we are exporting it to our drive, we are going to get access to that audio file. So here you can see we have just exported this to our drive, and we have our audio file. We can here press play.
Hello. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of Tokyo.
And we can start listening to that audio file. And so as you can see, this new tight integration of Gemini's audio lessons with Google Classroom makes it even easier for us to quickly generate content that we can then add to our Google Classroom. So here, let's go back to Google Classroom. You can see this is the fully embedded view. So what we can do now is we don't even have to leave Google Classroom. We've exported this to a slideshow. We've exported it to audio. We now go to our class work. We are going to assign this. So let's create a material. This material can be the audio lesson. And here at the bottom, we are going to add the different tracks. So let's go ahead and add from our drive. We're going to add our audio as well as our slideshow. There we go. We've added our audio, we've added our slideshow, and we can now post this to our class. This now means they have access to this audio lesson as well as that slideshow within Google Classroom. So realistically, we no longer have to leave the Google Classroom interface. We generate our audio lessons within the Google Classroom interface, export them to slides, get a slideshow, double check it, export it to audio, double check it, and then insert both files as a material or even an assignment on Google Classroom. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will invite you to go down to that comment section below and let me know what you think about this update. If you'd like to see more videos like this and updates like this, do let me know in that comment section. I do read every single comment. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.